Okay, so today you're going to learn how to divide a set of objects into equal groups. We're going to pretend that our colored tiles are diamonds today. So what we're going to do is take 6 diamonds out of our bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to pretend that we're going to share our diamonds with a friend. So let's see how we would share our diamonds with a friend. I guess if we're going to share them equally, you both will have the same number of diamonds, right? So how many groups of diamonds do we have here? Get ready. Yes, 2. We have 2 groups of diamonds. So how many diamonds are in each group? Get ready? Yes, 3. Okay, so I wrote we have 2 groups of 3. But what if we had 3 people who wanted to share the diamonds? How could we do that? Well, let's see. We could share them like this. So how many groups of diamonds do we have? Get ready? Yes, 3. So if we have 3 groups of the 6 diamonds, how many diamonds are in each group? Get ready? Yes, 2 diamonds. So what do you notice about our diamonds? About what we did? We only pulled out 6 diamonds out of our bag, but we changed them. We first started with 2 groups of 3 diamonds, and then we switched it and had 3 groups of 2 diamonds. Both of those, which equals 6 diamonds. All right, so this time we are going to take 18 diamonds out of our bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now that we have 18 diamonds out, we want to divide these diamonds between you and a friend. So let's go ahead and start doing that. What is half of 18? 2 times what equals 18, everyone? Get ready? 9. So we can divide this, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So we have now equal groups of diamonds, 2 groups of how many diamonds, everyone? Get ready? Yes, 9. But if we wanted to share our diamonds between myself or yourself and 2 friends, how would we divide up the diamonds into 3 groups? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we now have 3 groups of how many diamonds? Get ready. Yes, we have 3 groups of 6 diamonds. Okay, we still have 18 diamonds altogether, but we just have them divided up into different groups. Initially, we had 2 groups of 9, and now we have 3 groups of 6. Both equal 18. Okay, so let's do this one more time. This time we want 15 diamonds out of the bag. So let's go ahead and take 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and this time we want to divide these 15 diamonds into 3 separate groups. How do we know how to divide 15 by 3? We know what 3 times something is equals 15. So 15 divided by 3 groups would equal what number, everyone? Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 groups of 5. Now if we want to divide that again, we could divide it into 5 groups of how many? Get ready? 3. 5 groups of 3. So let's do that. 1, 2, oops. 3. So yes, we have now, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3.